Unbroken. Unbroken. Now inside all set. Stand by. Gates open, they're off and raising. As expected, changes past the beginning on the outside, unbroken. In the middle portion now is Paypaluk running on the outside. Humu, nuku, then followed by Victory Choice. Next in line is Start. Heading towards the 900-meter fall, we have Paypaluk in front. Out by about half a length. Moving up by the changes, running on the outside, unbroken. Next in line comes entry number 9, that is Victory Choice. Inside the last 600, changes, takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Unbroken, running by the Paypaluk. Humu, nuku, now moving up on the outside, then followed over by Stark. Inside the last 450. Changes this time by about 4 lengths. Running in second is Paypaluk and on the outside Victory Choice. And down the stretch they come. It is still changes this time by about 5 lengths. Victory Choice now to take second, moving up by the release Cannonball. And down to the finish changes. Victory Choice, Cannonball is in the middle portion. And in the finish line, Victory Choice, June 3, gray area, Cannonball changes. Stark, Rock Batu, Paypaluk. Then comes Humble Submission.
Okay.